In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an OST file in use error in Microsoft Outlook. This error typically occurs when Outlook cannot access its offline data file because it's locked by another process, corrupted, or is syncing incorrectly. I'll guide you through the steps to resolve this issue smoothly. First things first, let's start by closing Outlook. Always make sure the application is completely closed before attempting any troubleshooting steps. Now, to close any lingering processes related to Outlook, press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and ESC simultaneously. This will bring up the Task Manager, a handy tool that shows all the running processes on your computer. Once Task Manager is open, look for any processes labeled as Outlook .exe. If you spot it, select it and choose End Task. This ensures that any background operations of Outlook cease to function momentarily. It's also wise to check for any Microsoft Office background tasks that might be active. If present, select those and end them as well. Eliminating these processes ensures there are no leftover operations running that could interfere with Office applications starting fresh. With all background tasks ended, go ahead and reopen Outlook. Once you have it open again, let's adjust some settings in the control panel. Navigate to the control panel. If you're unfamiliar with how to locate it, you can simply type Control Panel into your computer's search bar and it should appear on the list. Inside the control panel, look for the Mail section and open it. From here, you'll want to click on Email Accounts. It's here where we can make some necessary changes to help resolve the OST file issue. Locate the email account in question and choose Change. Next, you'll see an option that says Use Cached Exchange Mode. Go ahead and uncheck this box. What does this do, you may be wondering? Well, Cached Exchange Mode is essentially a way for Outlook to store a local copy of your mailbox. By unchecking this option, Outlook will connect directly to the server to fetch emails, which often helps alleviate errors associated with OST file issues. After making this change, it's important to restart Outlook. This reboot ensures that all adjustments take effect properly. If Outlook opens normally after restarting, there's a possibility that the OST file was corrupted initially. Unchecking Cached Exchange Mode should mitigate the problem. However, if issues persist, it could be beneficial to run an inbox repair tool for more in-depth troubleshooting. Remember, fixing technical glitches can sometimes feel challenging, but taking it step by step, as we've done today, often leads to success. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.